Wake up.
I met a new friend.
Real or imaginary?
Imaginary. Maybe you should be the one in therapy, then Mom and Dad can pay someone $200 an hour to listen to all your thoughts.
28 days. Six hours.
Hey, my dad said he saw you at the golf course. You sleepwalking again there, buddy?
42 minutes.
My mom had to get a restraining order against my stepdad. He has emotional problems.
Oh, I have those too. What kind of emotional problems does your dad have?
12 seconds. That is when the world will end.
We could live for 1,000 years, but if I hurt you, I make wine from your tears. I told you that we could fly, 'cause we all have wings, but some of us don't know why. I was standing, you were there, two worlds collided, and they could never, ever tear us apart.
Donnie Darko. What kind of name is that? It's like some sort of superhero or something.
What makes you think I'm not?